Good day, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. This here is just a real simple video on how to use this here tuner. I'm not the best with metronomes. Don't want to be yet anyways, but either which way, a lot of the videos on YouTube are wrong and they don't even cover this, so I decided to make a quick one. So that's the brand Kliq Metropitch that I have no complaints, but I'm not an expert on this at all. I just do chords and, play them. Nothing too special. So I needed to know very specifically how to tune my guitar, and yeah, there you go. That's how I figured all this stuff out. So basics, what you need to know. This here on the bottom. So right now it's red and it's listening. So we're in tuner mode, obviously, because it's listening, and we are in guitar mode because it's a G right here. The very first thing you need to know is, well, I guess we go through the mode function. So that's your tuner, that's your metronome, that's your thingy thing. I don't know what that is. So right here, it's red and it's listening. You can change what type of, I guess you could do anything. So this is a chromatic tuner. This is not specific to anything. So that is a D sharp on my low E string. So that's a half step down, right? So this is guitar. This is a guitar tuner. So if you're tuning a guitar, you want it G here, 440 here, and nothing up here. We'll get to that in a second. The next one is bass, right? So bass guitar. Next one's violin. Next one's ukulele. So VU, very, very easy, straightforward stuff. So the rest of it gets into like music theory and all that, but we're gonna hopefully leave as much of that out as possible. So to change this setting and this setting, right? So you hit function. So if you hit function once, then you're gonna change the 440. If you know music exceptionally well, you'll know if you should be outside of 440. But we'll say almost anyone and everyone who watches this, you're not gonna want it outside of 440. This is where it gets a little different right here. This is 2 steps down. So that's 1.5 step, 1 step, half step down. So let's say, well, there's a lot of guitarists out there who tune half step down, half step up, whatever they want to do. So right now, we're in guitar mode, 440, half step down. Push mode to get back into it. My E string is tuned a half step down. It's actually a D sharp. So it says E, but we're in guitar mode. It says my E string is tuned to a D sharp. So let's take it back to the chromatic right there. But we're still a half, see? So if you take that flat off of there, so now we're actually tuned to what it should be, D sharp in the chromatic tuner. If you go back to the guitar tuner, it's just all over the place. It doesn't make any sense. This is what was driving me just up the wall. I couldn't figure out what was going on. So right now, if I want to tune my E string to an E, I would have to, adjust my guitar. But it is actually set a half step down. And all you do is you change that to half step down. My E is actually at a D sharp because of that. So, hope you learned something. Enjoy your day.